Magandang hapon mga kasama, mga kaibigan. Muli akong gagawa ng vlog. At sa ngayon nandito ako sa Pasay, mga kasama. Dito ako sa Newport City. Yan o. Ito yung may Angel's Pizza dito. Yan, Angel's Pizza yun. Ito may building na malaki oh. Sa kabila naman may nakasulat doon, Emperador. Yan. Ito yung ano, ito yung Newport City. Ito yung ano, mga harap niya. Yan. Yan. Doon sa kabila naman may McDo ron yun. Yan, McDo. Ito yun oh. Ito yung Newport City. Ito. Yan. Yan. Newport City. Yan, McDo. Yan, mga jeep. Yung Villamor, Pasay City. Yan. Yung kalsada yan. May ano, flyover dyan. Punta sa airport. Ito yung barangay 183 Zone 20 Villamor. Yun, Pasay City at iba ba? Ito. Yun, may aeroplano sa taas oh. May nakasulat doon, Philippine Air Force. Retaking of Nichols Airfield in World War II. In this site of 15th February 1945, the combined forces of the U.S. 11th Airborne Division and the Hunters ROTC guerrillas composed of cadets from the Philippine Military Academy and Reserve Officers Training Corps, not called to active duty. At the outbreak of the hostilities, but decided to serve, otherwise attack from the south and fought the Japanese Imperial Forces to regain the airfield, but part of the strongest Japanese defensive called the Ginko Line. Nichols Airfield served as an important launch pad in the retaking of Fort William McKinley on 16th February 1945, and the raiding of Los Baños prison camp in Laguna week after, recognized by the local government of Pasay City on February 15, 2020, to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the retaking of Nichols Airfield in World War II. Antonio J. Calixto, Congressman. Honorable Imelda Calixto Rubiano, City Mayor. Major General Allen T. Paredes, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Commanding General, Philippine Air Force. Ito yung CI Marchetti S-2011 jet. Ito siya mga kasama sa taas. Yun, ito yung poste niya. Yan. Yun ang pakpak. May nakasulat doon. PM. Yan. 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 Tapos sa kabila, parang ano, yan ang sign ng Air Force yan. Yun o. Yan. Ibig sabihin, Philippine Air Force. PM. Yan. Ito siya. CI Marchetti S-2011 jet. Ito siya mga kasama. Ito mahaba pang mga babasahin, pero yan o. This 2011 jet bearing tactical code 814 is a part of the second batch of S-211S acquired by the Philippine Air Force. PF from CI Marchetti, now Aermacchi on a 01 December 1994. The S-2011 is a tandem seat trainer aircraft first used by 105th Training Squadron of the Training Wing, and later by the 7th Tactical Fighter Squadron of the 5th Fighters Wing. It was also utilized by the Red Aces Aerial Precision Demonstration Team in air shows during significant national events. The aircraft was primarily employed in jet qualification course, reconnaissance missions, air defense exercise, and counterinsurgency operation of the armed forces of the Philippines. As token of the shared history and socio-cultural traditions of the Barangay 183 Villamor, former Airmen's Village, and the PF. This aircraft is given to serve as a heritage landmark that will continue to remind the historic past of the barangay, and a monument dedicated to the villagers, soldiers, pilots, and air crew and new residents that have been inspired by the witness or served and flown to the 2011 during its prime. The kind response to the request of the people of Villamor, this SI Marquiti S-2011 jet is mounted at this site and unveiled this 15th day of December 2024. Formally transferred from the Philippine Air Force to the Barangay 183 Villamor, Pasay City on the 15th day of December during the incumbency of Honorable Staff Sergeant Alvin A. Suniga, Philippine Air Force. Retired punong barangay, and Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force 39th Commanding General, Philippine Air Force. Yan mga kasama. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Nice to meet you again, and good afternoon to all of you, my dear friend. God bless and goodbye.